Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we will delve into the fascinating world of value stream mapping or VMS and discover how it can help identify waste, improve processes and drive growth in your organization. This video will provide you with all the necessary information from basic concepts to advanced strategies. A powerful tool utilized in business process optimization. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of value stream mapping. Value stream mapping, VSM, is a visual tool primarily used in lean manufacturing to analyze and design the flow of materials and information required to bring a product or service to a consumer. It will delve into the process of visualizing and analyzing the flow of materials and information necessary to bring a product or service to the customer. 2. The importance and benefits of value stream mapping in business. Value stream mapping, VSM, plays a pivotal role in improving the overall efficiency and productivity of businesses. Benefits of VSM in business, such as reducing operational costs, enhancing productivity, improving product quality, and boosting customer satisfaction. 3. The origin and evolution of value stream mapping. Value stream mapping, VSM, originated from the Toyota Production System, TPS, a system aimed at optimizing efficiency and reducing waste. Toyota, a leading car manufacturer, needed a method to visualize the entire production process from start to finish, including both value-added and non-value added activities. 4. Step-by-step guide to implementing value stream mapping. If you're keen on boosting efficiency within your business, then value stream mapping, VSM, is a valuable tool to leverage. From identifying the product or service to mapping the current state, designing the future state, and developing an implementation plan. 5. Essential tools and techniques in value stream mapping. Value stream mapping, VSM, is an instrumental part of lean management practices. However, to effectively apply it, you require a specific set of tools and techniques. Some essential tools and techniques used in VSM include flowcharting tools, software packages, and visual display boards. 6. Real-life case studies of successful value stream mapping. Case studies provide actionable insights and illustrate the real-world applications of value stream mapping. Real-life case studies of businesses like automotive manufacturing and the healthcare sector that have successfully implemented VSM and achieved significant improvements in their operations. 7. How to overcome challenges in value stream mapping. Value stream mapping, undeniably, is a powerful tool in improving business processes. However, the journey isn't always smooth sailing. You might encounter hurdles like lack of understanding, resistance to change, lack of time and resources, not identifying the right metrics, and overcomplication. Overcoming these challenges may seem daunting, but with persistence and the right approach. 8. The role of value stream mapping in lean manufacturing. Value stream mapping, VSM, plays a critical role in lean manufacturing, a business methodology that emphasizes minimizing waste without compromising productivity. It's a vital tool for visualizing the flow of materials and information needed to bring a product from order to delivery. It aids in continuous improvement, enhances flow and pull, engages all employees, supports fact-based decision-making, and promotes standardization. 9. Value stream mapping vs process mapping, a comparative review. If you're venturing into the world of process improvement, you've likely encountered the terms value stream mapping and process mapping. At first glance, these two concepts may seem synonymous, but they are quite different in their approach and goals. Process mapping is a technique used to visualize the sequence of steps involved in a process. On the other hand, value stream mapping extends beyond the day-to-day processes. 10. Future trends and innovations in value stream mapping. Value stream mapping, VSM, a core tool in lean methodologies, has been instrumental in streamlining processes and enhancing productivity across diverse industries. The integration of digital tools, IoT technology, employee engagement, sustainability metrics, and advanced training are just some of the trends shaping the future of value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is a crucial tool in process improvement, significantly in lean manufacturing. By implementing value stream mapping, organizations can gain a comprehensive understanding of their product's life cycle, enabling them to optimize resources, enhance productivity, and ultimately increase their competitive advantage in the market. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more insightful videos.